Hello everyone and welcome to the unbiased review of CoinFind website. So in today's video I'm going to analyze this website and I'll also explain CoinFind website is a scam or legit. So watch the video till end guys and let's get started. This is the homepage of this website and when you click the menu option button then you will get the exclusive collection of various products like jewelry, collections, accessories. When you click the particular option then you will get the extensive collection of jewelry pieces like earrings, cuffs, chains, pendants, jackets, bracelets, rings and profiles. So let's take a look at the beautiful collection. So yeah, the designs are very unique, modern and elegant. We all know that jewelry is one of the most important and favorite essentials of women. So when you click the collections button, you will get the exclusive collection of various collections like this, like rhomb earring red garnet, rhomb earrings black onyx. You will find various styles and the prices are affordable guys, the quality is top notch. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. So here is the contact us information. If you want to get in touch with the company, then you can get in touch with the company by email address contact@coinfind.com. And yeah, the phone number is also available on the website. Is it? Yes, it is 8625791461. And you'll also get the authorized person name, that is Addie Brown, and the office address is also available, 7619 Pico Way, Sacramento, CA 95828, United States. You can also comment in the comment box. And let's take a look at the shipping policy. So the standard shipping duration is 5 to 9 days. And you can also track the status of your order by putting the tracking number. And let's take a look at the return policy. So you can return the new item within 7 days guys after the delivery, and make sure you can only return the product in the following cases. So here is the list of cases, like if the size of the ring is not accurate and right, and if you are not satisfied with the quality of received pieces, etc. You can read the entire information and norms. Let's take a look at the privacy policy. So you can read the privacy policy. So you can read this for your convenience guys. And here is the terms and conditions. If you want to read, then you can simply click this option and you will get the entire information regarding the terms and conditions. Okay, fine. So here you can also see the contact us information is available on this website, and if you want to subscribe the news and email service of this website, then you can simply enter your email address in this given box and simply join now. Guys, the payment information is missing on this website, but yes, you can make the payment via PayPal. And in case you have any query related to product delivery and late delivery, then you can email at this email ID, which is contact@coinfind.com. Guys, this review is unbiased and I'm not promoting this website. My motive is to provide the authentic and genuine information of this website and scam alerts to you so that you can easily purchase from a safe or secure website. And I also want to tell you some important things that you should consider while making an online purchase. First of all, verify the website trust seal. You need to check the website URL and pay close attention to the website URL and check whether the website has the padlock with HTTPS or not. And contact page information is important, so look for the company's contact page and information always. And privacy policy, guys, website review. So always check the website reviews because it will help you to get to know about the legitimacy of the website. But yes, at this website the website reviews is missing, so you will find the reviews regarding this website on various platforms. And in case you had a bad experience with this company or website, then you can share your experience in the comment box. Do not forget to comment, guys, because it will give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a website. So please do not dislike the video. Share your good and bad experience with the company in your comments, and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts and legitimate websites. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.